Hello student, welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The chapter name is Respecting Both Men and Women. Student, here we have to understand that men and women both are very much important. No one is more important and no one is less important. Both are equally important. If the case is not like this, why the nature will create both of them? If nature has created both of them, it means these both are important. We should not discriminate men and women on the basis of their work. So the same thing here we are going to learn in this chapter, that we should not discriminate them on the basis of their work, but rather we have to respect both of them equally. See here, in the first stanza, we are going to see that Mohan's mother goes to work. She earns the family's bread and butter. Her responsibilities, she does not shrink. Her family loves and respect her lot. Okay, see, Mohan's mother, she is a working woman and she is going to office for earning money. And though she is working, though she is earning, but she did not shrink her responsibilities, home responsibilities, and she fulfill both the responsibilities, the office side responsibilities and the home side responsibilities. Both the responsibilities she balanced very well, and that's why her family loves her lot. So student, here should we not respect this woman? Yes, we should respect this woman. Okay, here in next stanza you see that his dad stayed home to cook and clean. He makes the house neat and tidy, keeps the garden bright and green, helps the kid when they study. See here, he is a man who is the father of Mohan, and he is doing household work. So it does mean that he is less respectful. Do you think that doing the household work is low grade work? No, no work is lower, and no one work is higher grade. All work are equal, because small things only make a huge amount, isn't it? So here he is a father. When mother is going out, so father is taking responsibility at home, and he is doing cooking and cleaning and all, and he is taking his kids study and maintaining the garden and also. So that's why we have to hats off to him. We have to respect him, because he is we can't discriminate, or we should not discriminate him on the basis of the work, that woman is going out and man is doing work at home. We should not think like this. Every work is important, and both men and women important. See here in the next paragraph, Deep likes playing with his kitchen set and dolls. His unicorn collection is his most prized possession. His twins Dia prefer to play with balls. She sweat it out during every football session. See here, Deep is a boy and Dia is a girl. Okay, and both are the twins, and Deep is not interested in so-called boys games, but he is interested in kitchen and some other kind of things. Okay, but this Dia, she is a girl, but still she like football, and she sweat out football session. Okay, so so we have to respect both of them. We should not think that girl doing boys work and boys doing girls work. It should not be like this. We have to respect both of them. See here, Rahul often wears his favorite color pink. Strawberry lemonade is his go-to drink. Ria, his sister, he is always with cars. Her love for F1 knows no bars. To join the army is Pooja's dream. Enjoying, everyone want her in their rugby team. She is fighter, tough, strong, and fit. Runs faster than the boys by quite a bit. See here in this two stanzas, we have seen that here the name Rahul, he's liking some very casual things. But Riya, she is a girl. She is obsessed of cars, and she love for F1. Known no bar. Okay, F1, there is a car racing competition, and that is a Formula One racing competition, and she is fond of that. But the Rahul, though he is a boy, but he don't like it. Okay, but it doesn't mean that we should not respect his feeling or respect his thought. We have to respect his thought. We have to respect both of them's thought. Okay, she is a girl, but she having a dream to join the army, and she is a very good rugby player. Okay, she is quite good and faster than a boy, so we have to respect this girl also. Okay, we have to actually respect each one, because each creature in the world is unique and important. If they are not important, then nature will never create them. We have to keep it in mind. Okay, see here, she is a lady, she is a software engineer. Mrs. Rao is Miss Rao, sorry, Miss Rao is a software engineer. From her career path, she doesn't veer. Any computer bug she can fix with her huge set of skill and tricks. She is Miss Roy, and she is very talented, and she is a computer engineer, software engineer, and with the help of her skill and tricks, she can fix any kind of bugs in a computer. Okay, see here, he is a man, and he is working the job of nurse, and he serve his whole day for serving the people in the hospital. Okay, there is one more lady whose name is Sarita, and she is a taxi driver. She is delighted, she is diligent and work hard, a real survivor. She never plays the easy card. See here, though he is a man, but he is doing a work of nurse, and though she is a girl, she is driving a taxi. So here already I have told you that we should not discriminate man and woman on the basis of their work, but we have to respect them both, because both are equally important. Okay, so by this chapter we understand that we should respect people for who they are and what they do, regardless of their gender. It means that from this chapter, what do you understand? We understand that we have to respect the people on the basis of their work and what they are. Okay, we should not discriminate them on the basis of their gender or their certain kind of work. Okay, so this is what the thing we have learned from this chapter, that we have to respect both man and woman, and regardless what is their gender. Okay, so that's all for this video. We will meet in next video. So student, we know that male and female both are equally important. We should not discriminate them on the basis of their work or on the basis of their gender. Okay, so for this reason only, in the year 2014, the Supreme Court of India recognized transgender people as a third gender. People can now identify as male, female, or others. You will see the other option in all government forms and documents. Find out the little information about it. See, we know that whatever the creatures created by the nature, all are very important. Nothing having less importance, because everyone having their own importance and their own work in this nature. Okay, that's why we have to respect all. On the basis of that only, we have to respect the third gender people also, and to give them respect and a respectful life. The Supreme Court of India in the year 2014 give one very spectacular decision, that transgender is also one of the gender, and it has to be recognized as the third gender. And by this verdict, then nowadays in all the government forms we see there is three genders. One is the male, female, and there is another option, that is the others. In the other option we put the third gender. Okay, so this is what all about the information regarding the gender. And once again I'm telling you people that you should not discriminate anyone on the basis of their gender. Okay.